Dorsal scapular, phrenic nerve, and long thoracic. Long thoracic is unique and important. It's actually the one that goes to the serratus anterior. Good things to remember.
This is getting on my nerves.
I see what you did there.
Yeah. It's good inside.
Yeah, I just got it.
Well, one.
Oh, what? These are different.
I got my confirmation. Good job. Let's go talk.
They don't practice this color coding.
All right, so roots and then trunks. You have superior, middle, and inferior.
Is this going to be up on Blackboard?
It will be. This exact PowerPoint will be up on Blackboard.
I'm just going to print this out. How about that? And I can't get it home.
Works. It's true.
So these two smashed together.
Do we need those vertical lines? Are those required?
No, they're just the vertical ones are more just delineating roots, trunks, divisions, cords, branches.
Okay.
So off the superior, one down and then one up. I promise you the roots looks the nastiest, so you've gotten through the ugliest part of it. What?
Just all the way to truncules?
I really like that.
So, one down and one up, that's the nervus subclavius, and then the suprascapular nerve.
Because they're superior, middle, and inferior? Is that what
What?
I want too much of that.
So, nervus subclavius goes to a small muscle called the subclavius, which actually sits under the clavicle. What?
Will we get points off if we say subclavius nerve versus nerve to subclavius?
No.
Okay.
I'm not going to do that.
I'm just going to put an N.
Suprascapular nerve goes to supraspinatus. You don't need to write this down unless you want to. You can learn it other times otherwise. So, and that's it for trunks. I told you, the roots looks really ugly. The rest isn't so bad. Next is divisions. Anterior, posterior, and anterior. Oh, geez, stuff happened. Okay, through this first box, over the posterior, you can write an X. And then above from C8, you're going to come up. So C5, 6, and then C8, T1 both come in and join with C7 to come across. And then a branch of C7 goes up to the C5, 6.
I think that makes sense. Its own branch. See how they like smash them together.
Well, it is really disappointing.
Here.
I'm giving it a
So, no, but also say that make the striking takes out the concern of using simulation.
No, that's just it has a point, but doesn't carry five.
You know what, dude? gonna show you. Look.
Alright, chords is next. Lateral, posterior, medial. So anterior becomes lateral, posterior stays posterior, and then the bottom anterior becomes the medial.
I put like the grade, 5 or 6 strings, and I wrote down this.
Okay. I've been walking on my class already.
And then it has its own like it has a the
Alright. So we're going to connect the lateral and the medial with an arc.
Dude, I was already like
What's up?
hauling ass, typing everything.
I mean, it's gonna help with something.
Oh, yeah?
It's like
It's part of the reason with stuff.
yeah, I'm just adding in like
It's not really just 2 pages.
Alright, so make an arc from
Spacing out
the
of
medial to the lateral. And you're going to have a little line coming off the top and the bottom. Like an alien's antenna or something. Then you're going to have 3 coming off the posterior, then 2 coming off the medial. Then we can name all those.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So off of our little alien, we've got lateral pectoral and medial pectoral.
Oh, no, black dog.
What muscles do you think they go to?
Hips.
I don't know.
I hope it's the pet.
I did that on purpose. I did.
I feel like I'm gonna do it really bad.
I can't really listen to it.
I sing everything.
It's like so
Would you
much
compare a
space.
Newton to your ultra?
Oh, goodness no.
Okay then.
But,
I'm so glad you gave me that interest.
but the Newtons are
Yeah.
Alright, next. Up subscapular, thoracodorsal, lower subscapular.
So glad you gave me the nutrition stuff. I'd be stressing about that right now.
It's written down.
Do I have battle sign yet?
Yeah, both have the same direction.
Probably
Think
so.
it's easier.
I just went with pictures.
I have 101 of them.
Let's do.
It's because of extra credit. You get extra credit. It's not hard.
I'll give bonus points if you want to draw
I don't think
color
it's
on
easy.
the exam.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
one
50
bonus
grams.
point.
Waiting about that last.
Alright, bottom ones.
We colored it during the exam, but we ended up messed up.
You can get some random color drawing.
Battle sign, like,
Will you
I'm
provide
just
the
gonna draw a big
colors?
smiley face
Or
on
will the colors need to be provided by this?
I don't know how colors this last round.
I probably do.
I might have, if I steal crayons from my kids, I might have. Alright, so upper subscap, thoracodorsal, lower subscap. Medial brachial cutaneous, medial antebrachial cutaneous. What do you think those innervate?
Skin.
The skin. Antebrachial is at the elbow, brachial is behind it. So it's talking about skin innervation around the elbow.
I'm never complaining about the sacral plexus.
We can do cervical if you want. That one looks a little crazy though.
No, that's okay.
I thought we'd stick out. Now the cool thing over here is that
That's why I
like the
dropped
brachial
it.
plexus, sacral is a little frustrating because so many of the muscles that it goes to are just itty things that you really can't get to. Here, as it branches, it's all referencing the next piece down. It's pretty, it makes more sense. I mean, if we go back to here, we're talking about the region up through here. As we move forward, we've moved down into pec and the musculature through here. Then we're getting the skin, the cutaneous over the elbow. And now we're going to get into branches. So off of
So where is it?
C5, 6 and C8, T1, we're going to create a whole new branch right down here. And then we're going to create off of the posterior
So those are roots?
A little noogie right there.
Strength division chords and these.
Now, I made a mistake when I did this and I forgot to label the little orange guy. Little orange guy is axillary. Axillary services the deltoid muscles.
Wait, but what is this group called?
This is branches. Roots, trunks, divisions, chords, branches. So, the upper one is musculocutaneous. Musculocutaneous nerve is mostly the musculature that goes for elbow flexion. Biceps brachii, corporal brachialis, brachialis. So one thing that's going to be easier is if you try to group these by nerve.